I want to show you how to make cyberpunk-style color grading tutorial in Premiere Pro. To start, we need to add the Lumetri color effect to our clip. Go over to Effects and search for it and add it to your video, or image depending on your clip. The settings you need will change, but here's what I use. Under Effect Controls, scroll down and expand to Basic Correction. Now, lower the temperature to -150 and increase the tint to 150. Now go over to Contrast and change the value to -60. Scroll down a bit more and expand the Creative section. Then increase saturation to about 120. Now go over to Effects and find VR Glow. Then click and drag the effect onto your clip. Go back under Effect Controls and scroll down to VR Glow. Now lower the Luma threshold down until you see a glow start to appear. Stop lowering it when the effect becomes too much.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.